what's up? Callie here. I'm downtown at the library and I just checked out this great book on understanding averages or measures of center. As I was looking around, I noticed some students meeting for their book club. They're talking about how many books they've read, which ones are their favorites, and who reads the most. Then it hit me. The book club is a perfect example for understanding what I've been reading about: mean, median, and mode. I'll show you and turn the page on another problem solved. Let's analyze the book club's data to tell us what is typical, common, or average about the number of books the students read. Club members each kept track of the number of books they read during the month of April. Here is what they reported. One way to describe the number of books read by a typical club member is to use the middle number. We can arrange the number of books read in order from smallest to largest to determine the middle number. This number is called the median. In this case, the median, or middle number, is 6. Another way to describe the number of books read by a typical club member is to use the number that occurs most often, which is the mode. Look at the graph. 3 students read 5 books. 5 is the most common number, so it's the mode. You may find that some datasets have 2 modes with 2 numbers equally common. When datasets have 2 modes, they are described as bimodal. A third way to describe the number of books read by a typical club member is to use the mean. One way to determine the mean is by equalizing the total number of books read among the 9 students. The result is that each column equals 7, so 7 is the mean number of books read. Equalizing helps you visualize what the mean represents. You can see that there are now 9 columns of 7, which is 63, the total number of books read. Another way to find the mean is to add the numbers together and divide by the number of people. With both methods, you are dividing the 63 books equally among the 9 members. We just determined 3 ways to describe the number of books read by a typical or average club member. The median is 6, the mode is 5, and the mean is 7. You'll find that understanding median, mode, and mean is helpful when you are analyzing data. See, math is a good read. Problem solved!